Retired IAS officer M. Madan Gopal has criticized the United States Commission for International Religious Freedom, USCIRF, alleging that it is deliberately targeting India. He claimed that the Commission's composition raises concerns, stating that its vice chairman is a Pakistani American and another member is a Sharia scholar educated in Pakistan. According to him, this indicates a possible anti India bias. Gopal said India is being targeted at a time when it is growing economically and socially, and added that such reports could aim to weaken the country internally. Former Jammu and Kashmir DGP SP Vaid also criticized the report, questioning the background and neutrality of USCIRF members. The USCIRF report has called for sanctions against organizations like RSS and India's intelligence agency, RAW. These recommendations have been rejected by Indian voices, who describe them as disturbing and completely off the mark.